Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Saint-Georges is one of the largest cities in the Beauce region of Quebec, with a population of about 33,000 people. It is a regional center for commerce, manufacturing, services, and local life in Chaudiere-Appalaches. The history of St. George goes back to the early settlement of the area in the 17th century. The territory was first linked to the seigneurial system, and early European presence in the region came through Jesuit missionaries and later through settlement around the Chaudiere River and the Famine River. The city later developed from the parish of Saint Georges de Aubergallien, which became a civil municipality in the 19th century. A major figure in the early development of the area was Jean-Georges Fautzer, whose efforts helped open roads and encourage growth in the region. The city name also reflects the earlier seigneurial history of the land. Over time, St. George became one of the most important communities in the Beauce because of its location, its river access, and its growing local economy. The rivers have always played a major role in the story of St. George's. The Chaudiere River shaped settlement and industry, while also bringing repeated floods and ice jams that caused serious damage over the years. Those floods became one of the most important parts of the city's history and pushed the community to improve flood control over time. St. George's also grew through transportation. The arrival of the railway in the early 20th century helped connect the city more strongly with the rest of Quebec. That made it easier for people, goods, and businesses to move through the area, and it supported the town's growth into a major local center. The city is also known for its heritage buildings and landmarks. One of the best known is the St. George's Church, which is considered an important religious and architectural site in the city. Other historic places and older neighborhoods show the long development of the community and the mix of parish history, commerce, and urban growth. In the modern city, St. George's has a strong manufacturing base, especially in wood products, metalwork, and related industries. It also has schools, shops, restaurants, and public spaces that serve people from the city and the surrounding region. That balance between industry and daily community life is one reason St. George remains important today. The city was officially reorganized through municipal mergers in the early 2000s, bringing together different local sectors into the St. George seen today. Even with that modern structure, the city still carries the history of the older communities that helped build it. That gives St. George's a layered identity that is easy to see in its streets, buildings, and riverfront setting. What makes St. George's interesting is that it combines a long history with a practical, working city atmosphere. It grew from early settlement, survived repeated flooding, expanded through industry and transport, and became one of the most significant cities in the Beauce region. That mix of history and growth gives it a clear place in the story of Quebec.